Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get WhatsApp link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get your WhatsApp link on your WhatsApp account, first open up the WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your phone guys, on this interface you can see a three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the settings available for us just below the start messages. And over here guys, in order to get your WhatsApp link, you can see there is a QR code icon available for us over here just beside your phone number at the right side of your account name at the top of the screen. Tap on that QR code option and you'll be over here on this interface, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see a share icon available for us just beside the three dotted icon. Tap on that share icon, and after that you can see you will be required to send this QR code to somebody in order to get your link. So just proceed with me and tap on the WhatsApp itself, and I'll be just sending myself that message. You can do the same, and after you have sent it, this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to get your WhatsApp link from over here, your WhatsApp account link. You can see you can copy it from over here after selecting it, or you can just send it to yourself. And over here the message appears as this, where you can just simply copy this link, and you can see it says the link copied, and you can paste it wherever you like or wherever you want to. And with that being done guys, you can see after we have pasted it, the contact is available on WhatsApp, which is my contact, and anybody will be able to access it through the link. And with that being said guys, this is how to get WhatsApp link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.